So hi guys, welcome back to our course. Last we have discussed about developing the pie chart, right? We have create a pie chart and where we used to show our expenses and income, right? And we also defined one total value as well for our budget, right? So now today we'll have a bottom navigation bar. How bottom navigation bar basically? Bottom navigation bar basically something like you can say you have seen the tabs, right? We used to switch the tabs like in a Instagram we have a home page, we have a search, we have a create, we have a reels, we have a profile, right? So something like that we used to develop today. Okay, so let's get started. So now we have a option here of bottom navigation bar and there we used to develop our bottom navigation bar. Yeah, so where we have a number of items. What we can do here, we can create a custom widget here for our bottom bottom navigation bar dot, and here we will firstly import our material dot, and now we'll create our stateless class custom bottom navigation bar, and we'll change here cut, and we'll define here custom navigation, define with const keyword here, and now here we'll write our that bottom navigation bar. Okay, so now we have items, right? We have to define bottom navigation bar item here. Sorry. So bottom navigation bar item will define, will have a two items here, icon. Okay, icons dot, we have to define some icons. Yeah, so we can use these icons. Yeah, and this one, icon, icons dot this, and we can do. Yeah, yes, yeah. So it throws. So I have created two bottom navigation bar items with icons, but it throws an exception, which is saying that every item should have some label. So we'll define a label here, suppose home, and can show here budget. So now as you can see we can have a home, we have a budget here. As you can see it doesn't move because I didn't put any something like which navigation bar we have to move or what, right? We have just defined the items here. So suppose if I define here 1 0, so it will make it purple, right? It is making purple. So if I define 1, it will make this one purple, right? Yeah, so we have settled our two navigations, right? But we didn't we didn't done any like we didn't define our two pages, right? Like based on this will show this page, based on this will show this page, right? So I'll create one, uh, let me create here folder name screens and move this home page to screens. and we'll have one more here, name. Um, we can have a budget, and we can define another here. We can define as new folder, budget, and we can define here a new file, budget page dot. We can define here budget page dot or budget body dot, and we'll firstly import here our material class. We'll define our stateless class, budget body, and here I'll define one scaffold class. Okay, now I'll just save, and now what we'll do is here we'll have a condition. We can rather than scaffold, we can have a body here, and we can put it here like state mm, homepage. We'll just refactor this code a little bit. Scaffold cut, and just define here paste. Okay, and now I'll just remove this list view here, cut, and just paste it here. Okay, and I'll just add here condition. Either we can either create a variable here, okay, or we can just put it as suppose if um, we'll learn this about, we'll dynamically manage this use when we are move to the state management technique. Okay, so as of now I'll define here suppose budget body. Okay, and I'll remove as of now this floating action button, and I'll import it here, quick fix import. Yeah, okay, quick fix and import here. Okay, and now if I run it, we can define here int current and ask another class to pass current index, and just copy and paste here. Okay, and for home page we'll ask, suppose we will ask with either one. Okay, and we can also create one condition here, final int current index is equal to 0, or we can remove here. I'm just taking an example, okay? So don't go to exact implementation, okay? I'm just taking an example to explain you. Will modify it when we'll move to the statement technique, okay? So here I'll define here current index is equal to 0 if const home body else this, okay? And same for this one, copy else budget. Now we'll just run here. So our app has run successfully and let the output be visible. Mhm. So here we have a home in this. Okay, so I'll just replace here with one and just save it. It's showing budget here. Okay, so I'll also define here current index is equal to 0. Okay, and now if I change here to 0, showing us this. Okay, so I guess now it's look fine. Now we'll create one create button as well in between them. Uh, we can create a plus button, I guess. Hope so it doesn't damage. Create. Now we can add here a. Now we have to add some condition here. We can add 50. Hmm. We can add more 80, I guess. Hmm. Rather than doing that, I'll try to make it by 7, 10, by 15. Hmm. I guess now it looks fine. Not bad, but I guess it's fine. So we'll add a on press here. Uh, inkwell. Hmm. Now it's look fine. We can add and create a bottom sheet, or we can add some dialog box, right? We can have something like UI new file create bottom sheet, and we can just rename it with dot close. Yeah. Now we'll just take some arguments. We'll take copy, and firstly we'll import material dot can add a show create bottom sheet build of context show modal bottom sheet context, and now we can add here a list view shrink wrap to, and we can add some children here. We have to add some padding as well. Copy and padding child, and same padding I am adding here also. Copy and just paste it. Show create bottom sheet here. Hmm. It didn't creating any issue, but it doesn't looking good actually. Hmm. See, it will not look good. Okay, so what we can do here is we can just we'll just undo the things here. Okay, wait, just a detector. Okay, yeah. So now it's working perfectly. I'll just create stop and run a till then we can create a list style here. Two list styles basically we want. One for our create add transaction, add new category. Can just wrap it with a text widget. Can add some styling as well, text style. Great. And we'll have some action on this. Add transaction, add new category. We'll add some images and some title here also. I have to find out which image we can add here. Okay, I'll have to find out for that. Okay, I'll in the next video I'll add it and help you with. We'll add some create page for add transaction and create for new category as well. Okay, so that's all from this video. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.